Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate time in Google Sheets. Whether you want to add hours, find the difference between two times, or convert that into hours, minutes, and seconds. If you are managing a timesheet, tracking productivity, or just trying to calculate how long something takes, this tutorial will be super helpful for you. So let's get started. First, let's say you have a basic timesheet. In column A, you will list your start time, and in column B, your end time. For example, cell A2 might be 9 a.m. and B2 might be 5:30 p.m. To calculate the time difference, just subtract the start time from the end time. In cell C2, you will type this formula =B2A2. By default, Google Sheets will display the result in hours and minutes. In this case, it should show 8:30, which means 8 hours and 30 minutes. You can format it to have only the hours and minutes without the AM by going to Format Number Duration. Now, what if the result shows a weird decimal or number like 0.35 ? That just means the cell formatting is set to number or general. To fix it, click on Format, then Number, and select Duration. Okay, now let's say you want to calculate total hours worked over multiple days. Let's fill rows 2 through 6 with different start and end times. In column C, we will calculate the time difference for each day using the same formula =B2A2 and drag it down. Once you have all the daily totals, you can use the sum function to add them all up. In cell C7, type sum C2C6. Again, the result will appear as a time value, but if you want to see the total hours in decimal format like 42.5 hours instead of 42:30, go to Format and choose Number. Let's take it a step further. What if you want to break down the time into hours, minutes, and seconds separately? You can use the hour, minute, and second functions. For example, =hour C2 will return the hours from the time difference. =minute C2 will return the minutes. This is great if you want to build a report or customize your display. One thing to watch out for: if your end time is after midnight, it may show a negative result. To fix that, use this formula instead, =D2A2 That tells Google Sheets to treat the time as a 24-hour clock and loop around midnight. And that's it. Now you know how to calculate time differences, add up hours, convert time to decimal hours, and display it however you want inside Google Sheets. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what else you would like to learn in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.